In this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends in Rockstar Games Social Club. So the first thing you need to do is just open up an internet browser and head over to the website rockstargames.com. Now you won't be able to do this from the application, you need to make sure you're on the official website. Then just log into your account and click on your profile icon in the top right hand side, and then from here select friends. Click on my friends, and then from this page you'll be able to see all of the people you're currently friends with. If you want to add new friends, click on find friends, and we have a couple of different options here. Now the first thing you can do is import friends from other networks. So if you already have Rockstar friends on your PlayStation, Xbox or Google account, then you can click on these icons over here and link these friends to your social club account. Now you can also scroll down to the bottom and invite friends via email. So if you know the email address of the person you're trying to add, you can simply type it here and press send invite. Now the last method is by clicking on this find Rockstar members link, and if you know the username of the account that you're trying to add, so for example if I just type in Fred, you can see all of the accounts here that have the word Fred in the name. So once you've found the user that you're trying to add, just click on it like so, and then you can go and press add friend. You can add a personal message to the friend request as well. I'm just going to click send, and now you'll need to wait for this person to accept your invite before you're friends in Rockstar. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.